Well guys, these are the new wheels for the Q. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I got a Z01 right here, sick ass fool. We're starting this vlog over here at AutoZone because your boy lost his wheel lock. I cannot find this to save my life. So I'm hoping they have one right here at AutoZone because your boy's getting new wheels today. So crossing my fingers that they have some so I could get these wheels on. So this was a fail. After AutoZone I went to O'Reilly's. Neither of those two shops had this specific wheel lock. I never even seen this wheel lock till I bought this car. I should have just ordered it a long time ago on Amazon, but I forgot. So what I'm gonna do now is we're just gonna go to a whole tire shop and just break this off. So I'm running back home for another set of lug nuts really quick. Sheesh, met up with the home. I don't want to show this car too much because we are actually gonna trade the wheels that I'm gonna trade on these Nismos versus the wheels that are on his car. What wheels do you guys think they are? Honestly, it's funny because ever since I first got my Z, like 5 years ago, that was the first set of wheels that I was gonna buy. Like this is like, I've always wanted a set of these wheels, but I just never got them. So it's funny that without even like looking for them, they found me. Like we're gonna trade right now. So we ended up actually pulling up to this tire shop because of my wheel lock situation. This dude wanted to charge me like freaking 40 bucks to take off my wheels, bro. Like that hell no. That's stupid. I'm not paying 40 bucks for somebody to take off my wheels.
12 seconds later.
After like 30 minutes of looking for a shop, I cannot find any shop. So we're going back to the $40 one. Now I'm gonna look stupid, bro. Oh my gosh. Guys, things are just not going my way today. I pulled up to the shop, the first shop. They were closed. Then I called this other shop. They said double price. They said 25 a freaking lug nut. So maybe I am cheap, bro. Maybe that was a super good deal and I just slept on it. Or maybe just everybody's just trying to tax because it's freaking Sunday today. I don't know, but damn. At this point, I'm going to my homie Panda's house. Shout out to him because he was actually supposed to go on a date. And he said he'll wait. I'm going to go to his house really quick and see if we could take this off. And now we'll just go to another shop in the morning. But damn, bro. It's like everything just doesn't want me to get these wheels today, bro. Sick gas, fool. Another Nismo. Fool's off-roading right now. Huh? Yeah, this fool's off-roading. This fool's supposed to go on a date right now, bro. Instead, taking off my wheels. You hate me right now, don't you? Do you hate me?
I have no words to say. No, I don't hate you, but
pretty close.
That's technically what friends are for.
It came up, bruh. It was that easy. I just saved myself 100 bucks. I'm buying you food now, literally. What do you want to eat, buddy? You hungry?
Yeah.
Shit. The homie just has a lining back here in his backyard, just chilling. This just sounds fucking sick, bro. 5.4 supercharged. Look at the flames, bro. You could, oh, there's the daylight. You can still see them. Oh! So yeah, now we're heading to this other tire shop. Oh yeah, I think I said it. The one that charged me like 25 bucks a wheel. Might as well. We've been at this for 2 hours. At this point, I'll just pay. Whatever. I've been doing a horrible job at recording. I've been so stressed out today, but we finally went to the shop and got the wheel locks off the wheels. I don't know why, bro. I feel like everybody was just taxing today. First, so they charged me 25 bucks per freaking wheel lock, and they wanted to charge us 30 bucks to swap the wheels. So I said, nah, I'll save myself $30. Call me cheap. We're gonna take them off of my pad. All right, guys, we made it home. Now to take off the wheels off finally. I just remembered, I don't think you guys have seen the wheels. Well guys, these are the new wheels for the Q. Some RPF1. It's funny because I've always wanted a set of these. And they literally found me, bro. He literally hit me up yesterday and was like, you down to trade? And I was like, I'm down. I'm just a little scared of how the 18s are gonna look on this car. But we'll see. Let's go ahead and install them.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this thing. This thing looks like a race car now, looking.
Bro, no, for real. That shit changed the whole look.
It looks pretty good. I thought it wasn't gonna look this good. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like a complete different car, bro. What the heck? Alright, now let's see the Nismo. Back on stocks, kinda. So he's actually gonna triple chrome these things, bro. It's gonna look freaking sick. Can't wait to see how it looks. Alright guys, and the wheels are on all around. Just gotta tighten them a little bit. And we're ready, bro. This car looks like a... It looks like it's fast. It looks like it's fast, bro, but it's slow. Looks aggressive, I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think? This is so random too. He literally hit me up last night or yesterday. Are you trying to trade? And I said, F it, I'm down. And here we are on RPF 1. Tell me why I go inside and I come out and they're ripping the wrap off. Bro, no going back. Honestly,
but the black looks nice though,
I think the black looks better. Full sand.
Fuck it.
Hey, it actually goes with it though, because the black of the license plate.
Yeah, it's because the wrap was already peeling, fool. That's why.
Pleasure doing business, bro. I'm gonna leave his ad down below if you guys want to follow him. Super clean. 370Z, super cool dude. This is how the Q is looking, guys. I'm probably gonna go wash it right now. It's now like 20 minutes from the last clip you guys just saw. Went in and freshened up, and now we're gonna go wash the Q with the new wheels. Sounds like I'm rubbing a little bit. I should be fine, but if I like have to, I'll just roll the fenders tomorrow. Sick ass wrap there. I kind of want to do a pull because these things are lighter. I feel like it's gonna be a bit faster. Should I try it? Oh, bro, did you guys see that? Oh my god, this shit spun. Spun nasty. What the? Alright, so these wheels definitely made a difference. Who's trying to head up now? This thing is probably quicker. For sure quicker. Hell yeah, bro. That's funny. I can't get over the fact how bad it spun. Oh no. Damn it, I forgot the wheel cleaner at my house. Wow. Should I go back for it? It's rubbing a little bit. That should be fine. This is how she looks now, guys. She looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna go back for the wheel cleaner really quick. Damn it, bro. Made it back home. A little Z. I actually need to talk to you guys about this car. Alright, here it is. Here's the wheel cleaner. Here is the tire shine that does not have any. I think I have another one. Let me go ahead and look for it really quick. Alright, now I got everything. Bro, I can't get over how good this Q looks. Honestly, I was gonna sell it, guys. I wasn't gonna fix the screen. I was over this car. I didn't want it. I think I'm gonna keep it after all. I really love how the car looks right now. And it's actually really funny because my original plan was to sell these Nismos, the ones that the homie has now, the V2s. Buy some TEs for the Z, the front TEs, and throw the Nismo 57s on this car. But now I really like this. I just like the look, bro. I'm not gonna lie, they are played out, but like they're very, very nice wheels. So I really like how the car looks. I don't know, I might leave them on here for longer than I anticipated. But yeah, now we can go back to the car wash and get this car looking good because it's pretty dirty. Let's go ahead and teleport. Alright, just like that, we're back with the wheel clean. We'll go ahead and get this thing all cleaned up. It's probably gonna be quick because it's kind of late. And this isn't the best area, so we'll go ahead and wash this thing up pretty fast. And just like that, Q's all clean, guys. Here's a little walk around. Super good, bro. Let's get out of here because it's a little sketch. Guys, I cannot get over this setup. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it, dude. I love it. It looks so beefy. It looks fast, but it's not fast, but still. Like the fitment is just all around so much better. You guys know that the fitment on the rear wheels with the other wheels was horrible. This is not the best. It's not to my standards, but it's pretty good. Not bad for a daily driver, guys. Like I said, I was not in the market for these wheels. I was actually about to sell the car, and the homie was like, are you down to trade your Nismos for these? At first, I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I was hesitant, but I was like, you know what, let's do it. And guys, I do not regret it at all. I love these wheels, and they come with center caps, bro. But yeah, I hope you guys all like the wheels. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe for new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.